Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. Today we are looking at Adobe Express. This is not a sponsored video, so I'm going to share with you guys my full opinions on it. If you are familiar with Canva, this is a lot like Canva. In fact, Adobe Express used to be Adobe Spark, but then they added a few things, merged a few things. But let's get into it, okay? So when you create an account, there's a free account and a paid account option. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can actually check it out. So for those of you guys who are completely new to this idea entirely, let's go on create a new project so I can show you guys. The quick actions here like resize image, remove background, convert to JPEG, convert to PNG, so on and so forth. And then there are different templates here that you can create. Templates are basically like right here, things that other people have already made, so you can have like a starting guide. Let's actually search YouTube thumbnails because we want YouTube thumbnails as a template so we can decide, oh, do we want to use this YouTube thumbnail or not? Actually, whatever thumbnail we pick, I'm going to use as this video thumbnail. So we're going to design this video thumbnail right now. Okay, so we're going to go under education because I would like to think this channel falls a lot under the education category. For the purposes of keeping things simple, we're going to pick this one as the thumbnail, as it will be the thumbnail for this video. Let it load for a second. It will load fast or slow depending on your internet. Now, as you can see, backgrounds and everything, it all changes here based upon what you click on. Over here on the left, this side changes. As you can see, there are some free, some premium. Now, we want to change the background first. This is the background right here. Now, we are going to hit edit background. And then as you can see, we can edit the background. We can either make it a solid color like it is, or we can choose an image. We can choose even images that are on our computer by just uploading said image. Now, I actually decided to upload an image. Yeah, this is the type of thing I would normally use. So, of course, I am using it. We could change the zoomed in. What we want to do is we want to just, zoom out so we can actually fully see it. That looks okay-esque, but I think we're going to change a few things here. So we can actually change let's look for logos. Okay, we can't look for a specific logo, but we could upload our own logo if we wanted to. Might come back to that, but for now, let's change this text, okay? The solar system. It's not the solar system we want. It is going to be Adobe Express. Yeah. Okay, Express. There we go. Perfect. Plain and simple. And then we can actually play around with these as well if we see fit. Normally, I would say I don't know if I want to keep these or not. We could search for different ones, change them, the different shapes we could use in place if we wanted to. That just different things we can do. Actually, I'm going to move this up here a bit, and then what I'm going to do is write something here with a new text. Yep, add text. And then this text here, it's going to say overview. Now, keep in mind, you can do this for various different things. We actually are doing this for a YouTube thumbnail, but you don't guys just do it for a YouTube thumbnail. There are different things you can do. And let's go back to the background one more time, because we've looked at the background. We're like, I don't know about the background I have right now. So we can actually play around with certain filters till we get exactly how we want. So we don't have to say we are stubborn and we want to stick with our background no matter what. We can actually do this. And yeah, there we go with that. Now we will finally, I will admit that this doesn't seem to have anything to do with, anything we're doing. So we are actually going to just get rid of that. We are also going to get rid of this, and maybe we want to add something different. Like, for example, we decide, hey, we want to add a light array effect. Now, the light array effect I like quite a bit, actually, but if I'm being honest, it's covering up the words that we need, and the words that we need are very important. So we can actually click on here and see each individual layer, okay? And we are going to put overview on top, and then we are also going to drag Adobe Express to the top as well. So there we go, Adobe Express overview. That is exactly what we need. And honestly, I think we are done here for this. You can add more stuff as you see fit, take away more stuff as you see fit. But for this video, I'm going to show you guys the basic simple thing of it. We could have even changed the color if we wanted to. We could add some shadow. Actually, you know what? The shadow does look pretty good. So we're going to add the shadow, but we're going to change the color. Let's use a suggested color, okay? Ooh, that looks good. It looks very good. Let's do the same thing to the overview, add the shadow, and then we're going to change the color to this color this time. And yeah, we have it right there. Adobe Express overview. We have done this. Like I said, you can play around more in this. Let me know in the comment section below if this is something that you actually like the idea of, or would you rather stick to another site, or would you rather just get Adobe Photoshop and do all this yourself? Like I said, that other templates you can play around with. I just thought, since we were on YouTube, picking a YouTube thing would be nice. And then after you're done, you got everything the way you want, you just download it. You can download it as, JPEG, PDF, or PNG. I'm going to download it as a JPEG because I don't need anything else added to it. I literally am just going to upload this, add the thumbnail for this video, and then I hit start download. Hopefully this has helped you guys in some way, shape, or form. I know the thumbnail is a little bit off-brand for me normally, but I want to give you guys some of the capabilities of stuff you can do in here. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.